Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Nation Debt Relief, which is a company that actually helps people consolidate and reduce the unsecured debts. So, in case you want to consider using their services, you can just check out the link in the description for more details. So, National Debt Relief is a debt settlement company that actually helps you lower your unsecured debts, such as your credit card balance, your medical bills, and your personal loans. So instead of just paying the creditors directly, you can make the deposits into the dedicated account, while the national debt relief actually negotiates settlements on your behalf. So here, if I talk about the pros, so here you will get the potential debt reductions. There are many users that have seen a significant reduction in their total owned amount. There is no upfront fee, which is also a good thing. So you only pay over after the successful negotiation of the settlement. The third thing is that it works with various debt types. So you can just scroll down a bit and you can take a look at it. It covers credit cards, personal loans, medical bills, and more. So if I talk about its cons, it may affect your credit score. So sometimes when you use these types of debt settlement services, these can negatively have a impact on your credit while the process is ongoing, and it is not for the secured debt. The mortgage and the auto loans and the other secured debts are also not eligible in it. So if you are struggling with unsecured debts and need professional help negotiating with creators, national debt relief can be very helpful solution for you. However, since debt settlement affects your credit, it is best for those who have already fallen behind on the payments and who need an alternative to bankruptcy. So if you want to try it out, I will put the link of it down in the description. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.